All right, hopefully the East Coast is up. Let's see if we can break 1,000 live viewers. Feel free to hit the like button. It'd be nice. You don't have to though. You guys make your own decisions, just like in trading. So here we are on the daily chart. We're starting with the daily chart because it is my most important chart. I really like this chart. Really, really like it. But I don't want it to go big today. I want this to happen next candle. So sometime tonight, I know it's the weekend and the weekend is always a little bit tricky. But if tomorrow we are trading above today's high, I'm going to get one of these green stars. And the green star would take place in a similar area to this green star. And this green star led to a full-blown upswing into an MRI top. And that is what I am anticipating. I am very, very bullish right now. The 1 to 4 candle correction from the MRI top has played out to perfection, to absolute perfection. And this blue line, which I'm going to shorten, is sitting right at the second highest closing high. It's a combination of, it's approximately where we closed on March 14th and where we closed 2 days ago on March 17th. If we can close around this area, which is just under $59,000, if we can close just under 59 and cross 59 tomorrow, I believe this is likely. Maybe not as high as $84,000. Let's be a little more realistic. Let's drop this bad boy down to 74,500. And we can always reevaluate afterwards. That is what I foresee happening. But I'm actually going to adjust this line a little bit. I'm going to put it to where the next MRI top is going to be. So this is March 19th on the first candle. So we're going to add a couple of candles. So we're going to put this around March 28th. So somewhere around March 28th, I am anticipating the next top. I would love for that top to be all the way in the 70s. So maybe I'll make this a little bit steeper so I can touch right into the 70s around March 28th. Okay. That's where I'm anticipating the next stop to be. Let's go to the weekly chart. That is a very beautiful weekly candle, and we are certainly on pace for the third consecutive MRI top 2 weeks from today. So in approximately 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, I am anticipating a move for Bitcoin into the low to mid 70,000s. I am very, very bullish in this market. We can flip over to the monthly chart as well. And here is our monthly chart. And that is looking very good. By the way, guys, the monthly chart is on pace for a second consecutive MRI top sometime in September. And that could be insanely high, but I do think there will be a multi-week pullback. We will talk about this pullback and how heavy this pullback could be. Do I really think it's going to be down to the 20s? No, I don't. But I will adjust this line when I feel the top is in. Until the top is in, I don't really have a need to adjust this red line. I'll adjust it later. Thoughts on oil? I haven't looked at oil in months. I have no thoughts. Maybe I'll look at it. So anyway, the weekly chart is about to close very bullish. The daily chart is technically it's neutral, but it's on the verge of being very bullish. If I had any more capital left in my trading account, I would add GBTC. I would add more Bitcoin to it or GBTC to it. But I'm already 100% in. Sorry, 99.5% in. I have like $150 remaining, and I can buy 3 more shares of GBTC. But I'm just not going to bother paying the commission on buying 3 additional shares. So I have my thousands of shares of GBTC, and I am going to hold on to those into the next MRI top. How much is the MRI tool? It is $1,000. It is still a significant discount from, it is a question in the live chat. I'm going to talk about it real quick. Hey guys, I don't promote any like exchanges, but you can still support with some of these affiliates. They don't really make me almost any money. So this is more like discounts for you or just general support. So check that out. So if you go to MRI indicator, you'll see the price in the form, and it's right there. It is 1,000 US dollars. One time, let me think about it. 4-hour chart looks also beautiful. We were pulling back yesterday, and I said I saw this as a bullish sign. Look how perfectly we pulled back to the prior swing high. We have now reset the MRI. The 4-hour is about to break this area. If we can get a 4-hour close above whatever this line is, where's the line? At 58,900. If we can get a 4-hour close about 58,900, which is only like $200 off, I will be very, very bullish on a 4-hour chart. And the next candle is going to be a green star candle. The next candle starts in 3 minutes. I will still be with you, but not too much longer. This conference begins in 30 minutes, and I have to speak in 45 minutes. But it's about a 15-minute walk from my apartment, which is great. But that's where I'll be the rest of the day. And then afterwards, I will be at this dinner, which is downtown Dubai, about a 20-minute taxi ride. So that's where you guys can find me tonight. Up until 8 o'clock, I'll be at the conference. And after the conference, I'm heading to this dinner. Like around 8:30, I'll be at the dinner. Okay. GBTC pulled back yesterday. Don't worry, it'll be back to its highs today. I think today is going to be a very bullish day in the market. And daily MRI, Ethereum versus the dollar first. Ethereum versus the prior swing low. Spin it however they like. Here's the 1-hour chart. Let's chart, and we are breaking. I have a lot of learning to do as to what makes a blockchain a blockchain. All right, let's go back to the Bitcoin chart, and we are breaking. There it is. There's your 4-hour chart. There's your green star. I am very, very bullish on the 4-hour chart. Here's the 1-hour chart. Let's see. If I was a short-term trader or an intermediate-term trader, this is where I would be confident buying on a 4-hour chart. Look at the 1-hour chart. On a 1-hour chart, I would have been confident buying right here when this green star would have shown up a few candles ago. I would have also been confident here when this green star showed up. And the stars, as you can see, show up. And the stars are not a default of the MRI indicator. It's still a beta thing. And the stars is my trading strategy with the MRI. You should have your own trading strategy with the MRI. Obviously, the green star right here didn't exactly work out, but the green star would have shown up in the beginning of the candle. Notice how this candle is only 2 minutes in and it already has the green star. I would have been buying right at the beginning of that candle. That, as I said 5 minutes ago, that is my buy on a 4-hour scale. If I was using the daily scale, I would wait until tomorrow, but I'm already ready to buy in right now. So my bullish trade is here. My initial stop loss would probably be near the bottom of these candles, below the moving averages, but I am very bullish in this market. I think we can close today above 60,000 easy. And once we do, that will be the second highest close in Bitcoin's history, which makes me incredibly bullish in the market. All right, guys. Well, that's it. If you want to support, please check out the educational section, because I'm all about educating you so you can make your own decisions in trading and you don't have to follow other traders. And this is the education that will help you do that. And if you are interested in the MRI, you could purchase that right here with a one-time fee, because eventually it will go annual subscription. Eventually. I don't know when. I'm still being generous by having it as a one-time fee. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.